Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the fully funded National University of Singapore Asian Development Bank Scholarship Session 2026 and 2027. These scholarships are for masters, that is MBA, Masters of Business Administration. You can complete your study in National University of Singapore, and there will be fully funded. All benefits will be there, and deadline for this opportunity is 15th of January 2026. We'll show you the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this fully funded scholarship for MBA is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos, links are in the respective descriptions, and in the about section of the YouTube, links are also given there. You can also visit our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirnook.com, and once you are on our website, you can read about this particular scholarship. Host country is Singapore, and the university is National University of Singapore. It's one of the top ranked and has QS ranking in top 20. Degree is full-time MBA, and benefits, it's a fully funded opportunity. Deadline is 15th of January, so you must apply before this so that you be considered for this scholarship as well as admissions. What are the benefits? Full tuition fees, monthly substance and housing allowances, books and instruction material allowances, medical insurance and travel expenses. What are the requirements? You must have a bachelor's degree and 2 years of work experiences. Then GMAT, GRE scores and TOEFL and IELTS if you have. Then these are for the MBA program admission process requirements. Then we have the requirement for scholarship. You should not be at dual citizenship. You should not hold a dual citizenship, and you should have gained an admission at this NUS, and then hold a bachelor's and full-time working experience. So if you fulfill this one, you will be definitely getting this one, and be a national of any of these countries. So this scholarship is limited to these countries. Asian countries are there almost, starting from Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, Cook Islands, Federation of Micronesia, Fiji, Georgia, India, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Kiribati, Kyrgyz Republic, Lao People Democratic Republic. Then you have some other countries, Maldives, Marshall, and all these countries are there almost. So international students from these countries intend to apply abroad, so all these countries are covered. First you need to do is apply for MBA program at National University of Singapore, application for scholarships. So we'll show you the full process. First, let's fill the link. Let's fill the application for the this scholarship for this admission MBA. So you can click on this link here, and here you can see continue application or start new application. For the first time users, you can click on start new application and you can register here. Click on register button, and you can enter your email address here, then first name, last name, date of birth, and continue. You will receive an email with a pin, and once you verify that, then you can simply log in back. I have already signed in, so I have already signed up, so I'll just use the details here, and I'll click on login. So now you can see we can simply start the application, and now you can click on begin now. So here you can see I'll click on masters by coursework, then I'll start with the January 2026 session. Click on view programs. So different programs will be there, and you can see we have to choose there are multiple programs, but we have to keep our main focus, that is the MBA. So Masters of Business Administration. Let me change the session to the August and click on view programs. Here you can see Masters of Business Administration. So click on apply now, and there are two specializations. If you wish to go for specialization or if you wish to go for generalized, you can click on that. So we'll go for generalized, and now there'll be Singapore dollars of application fee as well. So we'll later pay that, but we'll first start the application. Here you can see application ID. So we'll click on this link, click on open application. And now you have to fill all the sections here, instructions, click on continue. And you can see start your first name, last name, your full name, and after the date of birth, your gender, your race, and are you an alumni? So no, we are not. Country of birth, so you should be following in that. Singapore residency status, so foreigner, national, so we are a national of the country here, so I'll mention that. Then passport number, and then email is there, current address, so we'll mention the current address here, and select the region, postcode, and then home address, same as current address I'll mention, and then mobile number, and then uh, next of the kin information in case of emergency contacts. So we have to mention these details, and relationship you can mention, you have to mention the country, so mention the country here. I'll just choose a random, then click on save. Now what's your first native language, spoken and written? I'll mention both. Click on continue. And now academic qualifications, undergrad institution you have to mention here, and you can mention all the details here, degree name, and a degree format, degree location, discipline you can mention here, and after that received marks, full marks, so grade you have to mention here, degree classification, and program start date, program end date, financial source, and then click on save. So our undergraduate education is there. You can mention yes and no accordingly. Now I'll just mention no and click on continue. Test scores, you can add them. After that, publication and awards and certifications, if you have any independent research projects, co-authored any publications, conference papers, any intellectual properties, or do you have memberships, click on yes and no accordingly. If you have, just add them, otherwise you can just click on continue. So now you have to mention 2 years of experience, mention the designation, current salary you can mention, then click on save. So similarly you can add other details here and click on continue. And how did you heard about this? You can mention social media, Instagram. So you just mention YouTube. And are you applying to any other NUS programs? No. And have you previously applied to any programs? No. Click on continue. So application to other institutions. So no, we are not. Click on continue. Then source of finance. So you have to mention scholarship. So here you can see ADB Japan scholarship. Click on this. Click on continue. This is the important part. After that, add the referee. Here you have to mention. And then click on send to recommender. Now click on continue. Here, personal these documents you have to upload, supporting documents, then click on continue. After that, health and support, click on continue. Then you have to give declarations here. So are you currently or have been ever investigated, charged? No, we have not. Any disciplinary actions? No, we have not. So if you have just mentioned clearly, convicted? No. Fee subsidy from Singapore? No, we have not. So you have to agree to terms and conditions. Then enter your full name. After that, click on continue. So these informations are missing. So you have to add them before we can pay the fee. So once you add them, you can pay the fee and you can complete the application form for the admissions. Once you submit, now we go back. So we go back to the home. Here you can see one application pending submission. Once you pay the fee, it will be submitted. Now we have completed this process. I'll go back one step here. Now we'll scroll down. Here you can see ADB scholarship application form. So click on this link here. Now scroll down. Here you can see application and selection. All details are there. So academic institutions, procedures for applying. So you can click on this. Here you can see list of academic institutions. In Singapore, you can see National University of Singapore here in the top, and here you can see Masters of Business Administration. So scholarship is there. So you have to, here is the email address. What you have to do is click on procedure for applying, click on application form, PDF here or Word document. Then you have to fill in this information page. This is the scholarship application form. You have to fill all this, and once you complete, you can attach all the documents with this. And once you complete all the sections, once you attach all the documents, create a single PDF and then come back, click on this list of institutions and click on Singapore. Here you can see email is mentioned here. So copy this email and send the application form on this email here. There's an email, click on this link. You will be getting an email. So you can just click on right click and click on copy email address here. And you can send email that I have applied for the MBA in this program under this intake, and your application number, you have to mention that in the subject, and then you have to attach the scholarship form. You can also attach the admission form that you have downloaded after paying the application fee. You can mention all the documents in the email and send it here. So you'll be considered for the scholarships. That's a simple process. So you can see procedures are there. So you have to follow, and you have to contact your academic institution. You have to download this form, fill this form through the Microsoft or Adobe Acrobat Reader, or you can just download the Word format and attach all the documents, create a single PDF and send it to the email address that's mentioned here at the contact person. So you can just mention contact T Suan on this email, and you'll be getting the consideration for the scholarships of ADB MBA scholarships in National University of Singapore. That's the simple process. Application form first. Download that, pay the fee, all details. Download that application form after paying the fee. Then download this application form for the scholarship here, and complete this form. Attach all the documents, all the details it asks, and create a single PDF, and then simply click on list of academic institutions, click on Singapore here, and mail it to this person here. That's it. Simple. 3 steps. Admission application, download that. Scholarship application, fill that, attach documents. Then simply come back and email on this all the 3 documents. That's it. So I hope you have no doubts now left. If you still have any confusions in filling the scholarship application form, you can ask us in the comment section. We'll just help you there, or you can just message our team on Instagram and they'll be assisting you there. All the posts are verified before publishing here, and the link for this scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out all the details, and you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net, or you can follow us on Instagram, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. We keep posting daily updates here. And with this, I hope you enjoyed the session. I am signing off for today. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and like this video. Have a nice day ahead.